Hello guys, welcome to my new video. And in this video we are going to talk about Galaxy Buds 2. This is how the box looks. Galaxy Buds 2 is written with buds here, and there is Samsung branding here. And on the back side you can see there is there are some details given. We will get into these details practically. One thing to notice in this is here it is written that cuts external background noise by up to 98%. On the side there is Galaxy Buds 2 again, and its MRP is 13,990, basically 14,000 rupees. Let's quickly unbox this. Let's see what we have inside. In the front we have case of the buds, which is white in color, and we have USB-C cable. This charges through USB-C, plus there are some additional buds. Buds are black in color. I'll keep this aside. Now let's quickly open this. There's nothing else in the box. The case is white in color by outside, but from inside it is black, and the buds also are black, dark grey I'll tell. And here this is the right bud. This is the design. This sits in your ear in this way. I'll show you how. So this is how it sits. It doesn't have any stem. Here it is written sound by AKG. Here I have Samsung's Galaxy A71, which should be compatible with these Samsung devices, because at the back of the box it says this is there are some features which might not be available for other mobile non Samsung devices, and there is a system requirement of 7.0 Android or higher with 1.5 GB of RAM. So this phone should support all of the things. If I open these, here you can see it says Galaxy Buds 2, a new device has been found. This has this same kind of animation. I closed the box and it went off. Once I bring the phone near to this by opening it, that animation comes. New device has been found. Let's see, I'll try to connect it. Galaxy wearables. Okay, so yeah, this is connected completely. Let me plug this in. This particular bud support has active noise cancellation, and so there are these noise controls here. First thing is active noise cancellation, which actually eliminates the noise coming inside. I'm not able to hear any noise at this point. When I keep this off, and active noise cancellation, both are almost similar. I'm not able to understand the difference exactly, because when I keep this off, I think things obviously my ears are covered, and this is completely in-ear buds, so I'm not able to hear anything. But a little bit noise which I am trying to make here, I'm able to feel that for sure. With active noise cancellation also, there is not a much difference here. It is almost similar. Then we have ambient sound. Yeah, now my voice became a little more clearer, and I'm able to hear the outside ambient sound. But the good thing in this is you can see here for ambient sound there is a volume. This volume, if I keep it on maximum, the volume of the ambient sound is more, but when I keep it medium, it actually reduces. This is something which I actually liked about these buds, Samsung buds basically. And there is some touch controls and earbud settings here, nothing else. Here, let's see what we have in earbud settings. There is equalizer, there is in-ear detection for calls. If you want to route your calls, incoming calls from on this device, or if you want it on your earbuds. This is what it means. 360 audio, this is one more thing, like this is just like spatial audio which Apple has. And there are some other basic features. But these earbuds will receive software updates as well. So you can see here, earbuds software update, it says download and install using Wi-Fi, and this like general update settings. And there is this software information and battery information here. Let me play something, and let me see what this active noise cancellation actually does, and what is the difference between off and active noise cancellation. First I'll keep it in off and play some non-copyright music.
Non-copyright collective now playing.
Okay, now I'm in ambient sound, and the sound which is getting played is clearly, like I'm able to hear that clearly. When I change this volume, it is actually working. This is something which I really like. When I keep it off, like I'm not able to clearly hear the music. Let's see what is the difference between these two now. There is very slight difference between these two. I don't know how this like obviously keeping it off and in-ear earbuds, it actually cancels some noise, but yeah, it should have been like active noise cancelling plus ambient sound only, because there is no difference between off and active noise cancelling, honestly. So this is all about Samsung's Galaxy Buds 2. I have one more model here just for a slight comparison. This one is Samsung's Galaxy Buds Pro, a little bit old, but this was being used by my friend. Just thought I'll include this in this video. This is almost same, but yeah, as the name says, this is Pro. Let me remove these. So yeah, so this is Galaxy Buds Pro. As the name says, these are the Pro models, and its MRP is 17,990, and the information at the back is almost the same, except for these, like these buds are completely waterproof. Like earbuds are waterproof, it has IPX7 rating, but the case is not. But this is actually not waterproof. For some reason this has a little lesser battery, and this is having more battery, and here it says comfortable fit. Let's see how comfortable these are going to be for us. This also has the same system requirement. This needs to be with Android 7.0 or higher, and 1.5 GB of RAM. Let me open these, and let's pull this out. And yeah, this also has the same USB-C to like USB-A to C cable with some extra ear tips. This is black in color, the other one was white in color. That's all. Let's keep this aside as well. How good these are. Let me bring the phone closer. Yeah, like this has the same animation. The animation is quite good. I'm connecting this. Yeah, this is how they fit. Yes, like as soon as I plug this in, ambient sound turned on because I'm talking. These earbuds has one more cool feature, which is voice detect. Okay, yeah, noise cancelling has two levels here. One is active noise cancelling level, high and low. Let's see how these work. I can't tell how there is difference between these two. Seriously, if you people, if someone has used this, and if you know the difference between high and low in this plus off, and does it really cancel the noise, or is it just clear, like covering your ears? Let me know in the comments, please. For ambient sound, yeah, this is really amazing. It works flawless. I'm able to hear each and everything crisp and clear from outside. Even my voice is. It is regenerating the noise or sound. You can tell. There are levels here. Extra high gives, like, enhances each and everything a little bit more. Like it gives. I'm able to hear. I'm able to hear everything in a little more volume. High is high, medium, low. Like this works very well. In the previous, like in the Buds 2, it was only like they didn't had these 4 levels. Instead, we only had 3: medium, low, and high. In this, we have extra high, and there is in this Buds. This is one more very good feature, which is voice detect. Let us see if these support wireless charging as well. Yeah, here it says we have a red light, which means the charging, it supports wireless charging. So this is charging light. Maybe whenever it is red, maybe the battery is low, and whenever it is green, and battery is high. These are a little heavier, on the heavier side, and here we have green light. I think battery of these is high, and it supports, like both of them support wireless charging basically. So when you have a Samsung device and you want to buy some earbuds, I think these are very good options. Any one of these should go well based on your budget. I think there is a slight difference between these two. As per MRP, there is 4,000 rupees difference, but I think when you buy it on Amazon or some offers, it should not be very much. With Samsung devices, these interact very well. This has matte finish touch, and this has a little bit glossy touch. With other devices, I don't think these interact as it should, because I tried this one with Apple device, but the noise cancelling and ambient sound features actually work without any of the extra features which we just saw in that Galaxy Wearables app. And in other Android devices, you can install that Galaxy Wearables application, and it should support almost all the things except for Bixby and the specific Samsung features. That's all from this video, guys. Please share the video, like the video, and comment for which of these you think is a better option to go for. I'll attach Amazon links for both of these devices, and even Samsung's official store's link, so that you can see, compare, and go for whichever you feel is good. And share the video for those who have Samsung devices and who should buy these. And yeah, there is a giveaway which is coming. I'm posting a photo after this video. Go through that photo, and in that photo, how many earbuds you can see. How many earbuds single, like if this is 1 and these are 2, so 2 earbuds. So same way, how many earbuds you are able to see in the picture, comment that, and for the first person to comment the right answer will surely get some giveaway. I'm planning for something. Thank you so much. Please like and share the video and subscribe if you haven't did it.